It's time to give away the Hot Wheels Roll Cage Custom that I made about 2 years ago. It's one of my earlier customs. It's a little rough, admittedly. But as I mentioned in the Silva Challenge video for the Participants 7 Build, I was going to give this away. So that time has come. So let's see here. We copy the URL and we go over to the YouTube random comment picker, drop that in there. We're going to filter out duplicate users just in case anybody made their comment and replied to another comment. I am going to include the replies to comments, filtering it for the specific text of community. Helps if I spell it right. Get the YouTube comments. See how many comments. 31 unique comments. Perfect. And let's see who the winner is. Congratulations to BJ's Customs. Brandon was actually an earlier participant in the Silva Challenge. So Brandon, I already have your address. I will get this out in the mail to you. Congratulations. And everybody, thanks for watching that video and commenting. And stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.